back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a shrimp scampi.
Yes, and I will be using Mama NERI'S world-class simple is best recipe. Oh yeah.
Shrimp scampi with pasta from scratch and a Caesar salad. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. Make a volcano, eggs, oil, water. Make a snowball. Cut it up into 4 pieces, oil them up, and get ready to roll fold, roll fold, roll fold, roll fold, roll fold, roll fold. And then after you roll it out, you're going to fold it, cut the end off, cut it into pieces, of course, lay them out flat here on flour, and then you're going to pick it all up, drape it through the flour, and then hang it up to dry. Oh yeah. We got our eggs and oil emulsified. We're going to throw some garlic in there, add anchovies, mix it up, and then dollop it onto our salad. Add a bunch of cracked black pepper and kosher salt. And then, of course, Parmesan cheese. Set it aside and get ready for scampi. First things first here, you put the pasta on. Be very careful with it so it doesn't snap and break. Scampi's a very easy dinner to make. Lots of garlic, butter. Shake the garlic flat in the pan, and then, of course, add your little shrimpy. I have to use gloves because I'm actually allergic to this stuff. And then, of course, after a few minutes, you're going to want to flip them over. Be very careful and thorough with this. Make sure the garlic still stays on the bottom, medium heat, you know the act. And then when you feel it's reached critical temperature there, pour a little cream all over the place. You don't want too much, but you need to add some. And then turn it up high. And after it reaches a super boil, that's when you pour your wine in. Again, not too much, but just a little at a time until you feel it right. And then get ready to serve. First things first, mix up your salad thoroughly and plate it up and dress it up. And we're just going to be plating it up with the nice, hot, fresh-made pasta. And then, of course, a beautiful close-up of this incredible ragu. This is like Mama NERI'S favorite. Butter, cream, white wine, garlic. And of course, shrimpy. Wow. And then move it around, dress it up, and here's a little flyby for you. Absolutely the most beautiful meal you can make. So simple, so clean, so wonderful. And then, of course, the Caesar salad. Who doesn't like a good from-scratch Caesar salad with lots of garlic and anchovies? And never forget about beautiful flowers, because flowers say it best. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.